Welcome guys! Today I will show you how to use Remember This feature in Motorola AI app on Motorola Edge 70. So open the All Apps list and find Moto AI app. Then go to the Remember This part. Here type in something that you want to save in memory of the Moto AI. For example, I like red flowers. Wait for a while until the remember will be saved. Alright. Also, you can add some photos into the memory. Let me show you how it works. So, I made a photo of this small flower. Tap on the save and write down my favorite flower, just for an example. Okay, wait for a while. So, how to use your remembers, how to use the memory of Moto AI app. You can activate Moto AI by using the special button on the left side of the device. Also, for example, you can do it from the apps list using this bar. You can use text or you can manage it by voice. So let's try by voice. Which flowers I like? Alright, and he gave us an answer that I like red flowers, like I wrote before. Let's try to put out the screenshot, the photo from the memory. Show me my favorite flower, please. Alright, here is our photo. We can open the memory section and see my favorite flower. That's how Remember This feature works in Motorola, in Moto AI app. Also, how to delete something from this section. Open the additional menu by using this stripes icon. Go to the memory chapter, simply touch and hold the memory you want to delete. Alright. Then use this bin button. Also, you can select all of the memories, for example. Confirm deleting, and voila. So, that's it about Remember This feature on Motorola Edge 70. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, like it, subscribe our channel. If you have some questions, comment them below, and see you in the next videos. Goodbye.